What if you were told that 15 major car brands are currently at serious risk of bankruptcy? While this video plays, dealerships are quietly reducing stock, resale prices are dropping, and many vehicle owners may not realize their cars could lose significant value. Some of the brands mentioned may surprise you, and one has already halted production. Keep watching, as this information could help you avoid a major financial loss. Number 15. Fiat. Fiat ranks near the bottom of this list. It's difficult to classify it as a strong automotive brand today. In many ways, Fiat has become a source of jokes within the industry, mainly producing small city cars that do not match the preferences of most American buyers. Its US lineup is extremely limited and appeals to a very small audience. The 500X attempts to compete in the market but falls short in performance, pricing, and interior quality. It lacks power, costs too much, and feels inexpensive both inside and out. The 124 Spider is essentially a Mazda Miata, but with added reliability concerns. While it has similar styling appeal, it brings additional maintenance issues. Sales figures highlight the problem. In 2024, Fiat sold fewer vehicles than some single Toyota dealerships sell in just 1 month. The brand has minimal visibility in the market, its reliability reputation is poor, resale value is extremely low, and obtaining replacement parts can be difficult. When a brand's biggest recognition comes from being a topic of humor, its future looks uncertain. Number 14. Dodge. This entry is especially disappointing for fans. Dodge built its identity around powerful American muscle cars. The Charger and Challenger became iconic models known for performance and aggressive styling. These vehicles represented a significant part of American car culture. However, both models have now been discontinued permanently. Their replacement is an electric Charger, which has not been well received by many buyers. Some enthusiasts feel it lacks the performance character and emotional appeal of the original versions. The artificial engine sound does not satisfy traditional muscle car fans. Additionally, the Hornet model has received criticism for pricing and reliability concerns. It is closely related to an Alfa Romeo design and has not gained strong popularity. Dodge has shifted from producing highly desirable performance cars to struggling with inventory that remains unsold. Without its supercharged performance models, the brand is facing an identity crisis, and many loyal customers are turning to competitors. Number 13. Genesis. Genesis entered the US market promising luxury-level features similar to BMW but at more affordable prices. On paper, this strategy appeared promising, offering advanced technology and premium design at competitive costs. However, luxury consumers often prioritize status and exclusivity over lower prices. Despite improvements, Genesis is still closely associated with its parent company and struggles to stand apart as a fully independent luxury brand. Sales numbers show the challenge. While major competitors sell hundreds of thousands of vehicles, Genesis sells far fewer. This indicates difficulty in competing at the highest level of the luxury market. Safety recalls have also affected confidence. Certain models experience fuel pump issues that caused engine stalling at high speeds. In the luxury segment, trust and reputation are extremely important, and repeated recalls can damage brand perception. Limited dealership presence and higher pricing due to tariffs add further obstacles. Many Genesis showrooms operate inside existing Hyundai locations, which can weaken its premium image. Luxury buyers expect a distinct and elevated purchasing experience. Number 12. Buick. Buick continues to struggle with an aging reputation. Although still operating, the brand has limited momentum. For years, it has been perceived as appealing primarily to older customers, and efforts to attract younger buyers have had limited success. Its current lineup consists mainly of SUVs, many of which share components with other GM vehicles. Critics argue that these models do not feel unique enough to stand out in the luxury market. Mechanical issues have also impacted reputation, including engine failures and turbo-related problems in certain models. Marketing efforts and sponsorships have not significantly changed public perception. Buick remains in a difficult position between affordable and premium markets, making its long-term future uncertain. Number 11. Lincoln. Lincoln was once a leading symbol of American luxury, and even served as presidential transportation. Today, however, it faces challenges in reliability and brand perception. Some models have experienced suspension problems, engine leaks, overheating, and transmission issues. These concerns can really reduce customer confidence. Electrical system faults and other mechanical failures have also been reported across different models. Consumer rankings place Lincoln in a mid-level position compared to other luxury brands. While it still exists as a premium name, it no longer dominates the market as it once did. Without improvements in quality and image, it risks further decline. Number 10. Alfa Romeo. Alfa Romeo is known for producing visually striking vehicles with elegant Italian design. However, despite their appearance, many owners report reliability problems. Consumer evaluations have placed the brand near the lower end of industry rankings. Common issues include electrical malfunctions, transmission problems, and faster-than-average wear on certain components. Interior quality has also been criticized for using materials that do not always match premium pricing. Financial scandals involving its parent company have affected public trust. Sales depend heavily on discounts, and dealership support varies. These factors create uncertainty for long-term ownership. Number 9. Maserati. Maserati, once celebrated for combining racing heritage with luxury styling, has experienced a dramatic decline in sales. Global deliveries have dropped sharply in recent years, signaling some serious challenges. Many showrooms contain unsold inventory, while customers increasingly choose competitors such as Porsche, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz. Corporate leadership has even considered major restructuring options for the brand. High import costs and delayed electric vehicle plans have made recovery more difficult. Several planned models have been canceled, and consumer demand remains weak. If changes are not made, the brand could face significant restructuring. Number 8. Jaguar. Jaguar, historically known for British elegance and performance, has undergone major changes. Iconic models such as the E-Type and other sports sedans once defined the brand's reputation. However, most of its current lineup has been discontinued, leaving only limited models available. The company is focusing heavily on an electric transition, but new products are not expected immediately. This gap in offerings has created uncertainty about its future.